Welcome back to another incredible journey behind the scenes of industrial food production. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest honey processing.
It all begins here, across 12,000 acres of carefully managed apiaries.
Each worker bee will visit between 50 and 1,000 flowers in a single foraging trip, collecting nectar in a specialized honey stomach.
Inside each hive, a remarkable assembly line operates 24 hours a day. Harvesting honey at this scale requires military precision. Each of our 300 beekeepers follows strict protocols, removing only surplus honey.
Every frame of honeycomb is tracked from the moment it leaves the hive.
Making good time today. Yeah, they seem calm. The brushes work well.
What you're watching right now is the critical link between nature and industry. These frames contain raw honeycomb straight from the hives.
Raw honeycomb is nature's most perfect packaging. Each hexagonal cell is constructed with mathematical precision.
Confirming Station 3 needs the blue containers from row 7, expedite.
Roger that.
Is this the last of the orange blossom for this run?
Yes, wrap this pallet and print the batch code.
Every morning, our fleet of 32 specialized refrigerated trucks fans out across 12,000 acres.
Our drivers are the unsung heroes of the honey industry. Each one completes specialized training in cold chain logistics and honey handling protocols.
From this moment forward, our raw material enters a carefully controlled environment.
Attention all floor staff. Load 32C to the priority red zone immediately.
Before a single frame enters our processing line, it must pass rigorous quality screening.
This frame is clean, approved. But this one has damage, move it to quarantine.
From this point forward, every frame follows a precisely timed journey through our extraction system.
The viscosity is optimal at 35 degrees.
Confirmed. We can increase the flow rate now. This automated uncapping system processes 1,200 frames per hour with surgical precision.
The centrifugal force generated inside these extractors is equivalent to 300 times the force of gravity.
What you're seeing is the collection point for all raw extracted honey.
Filtration is where science meets tradition.
We're now in the heart of the purification process, and I have to say, the engineering here is absolutely remarkable.
Welcome to the blending hall, where filtered honey from different apiaries and harvest periods is carefully combined to
Every honey tells a story of its origin. Clover honey from the Midwest tastes completely different from California orange blossom or Florida tupelo.
At any given moment, we're managing up to 8 different blends simultaneously. Our quality laboratory operates around the clock, conducting over 300 individual tests on every batch of honey.
Honey color isn't just aesthetic, it's directly tied to market value and consumer expectation.
As you can see on the monitor, the dominant pollen morphology is clearly helianthus.
So the supplier's claim of lavender is incorrect.
We've arrived at the final stage of our journey, the packaging facility. Every container entering our filling lines undergoes a 12-point inspection before receiving a single drop of honey. Sealing honey jars might seem simple, but the torque specifications are critical. Too loose and the seal fails during shipping.
Control to line 3, we have a backup at gate 7.
Acknowledged, adjusting flow rate now.
Despite our sophisticated automation, human inspectors remain essential to our quality system. Their trained eyes catch subtle defects that machines might miss.
These robotic case packers handle over 12,000 jars per hour, operating 24 hours a day with greater consistency than any human workforce. Every pallet leaving our facility is wrapped with exactly 47 layers of stretch film and secured with corner boards rated for triple stacking in shipping containers.
I've visited dozens of food production facilities over the years, but the scale of this operation genuinely amazes me.
This batch of Manuka meets the MGO 400 standard.
Excellent. Ensure the documentation is updated on the tablet.
All organic inputs verified. The chain of custody is fully compliant with our standards.
This configuration for the specialty channel looks excellent. The recipe card is clear.
Agreed, the presentation is flawless.
Everything you see here, every jar, every case, every pallet, was raw honeycomb less than 24 hours ago.
Every batch of honey undergoes a complete microbiological panel testing for total aerobic plate count, yeast and mold, coliform bacteria, and pathogenic organisms.
Regulatory agencies can request production records at any time, and we must be able to produce complete documentation within 24 hours.
Ends. We take every customer complaint seriously, investigating each one within 48 hours of receipt.
Temperature is holding steady at 28 degrees. Viscosity levels are optimal for bottling. Temperature control might seem like a minor detail, but it's actually critical to both quality and efficiency.
Station 3, parameters holding steady?
Yes, Supervisor, all green.
Good. Stage 5, optimization complete?
Confirmed, ready for transfer.
Control, batch 7, authorization granted.
The honey bear might be our most iconic product, but it's also one of our most challenging to produce.
At peak production, we operate 14 separate packaging lines simultaneously, each capable of running different products without interference.
Our automated material handling system includes 47 guided vehicles operating around the clock.
Did you send the labels for the Mexico shipment yet?
Yes, they went out an hour ago. I updated the inventory.
Exporting to 7 to 3 countries means navigating a complex maze of regulations, documentation requirements, and packaging standards.
What's remarkable about standing here is knowing that these very products will be on kitchen tables around the world within days.
These tamper-evident bans aren't just a regulatory requirement. They're a promise to consumers that their product hasn't been opened since leaving our facility.
Did you put the informational inserts in the last batch? Yes, they are all set for the shrink wrap machine now.
This single robotic palletizer handles the output of 4 packaging lines, building over 300 pallets per shift.
Stretch wrapping technology might seem simple, but our system applies exactly 47 layers of film using a pre-stretch ratio of 300%.
Every pallet leaving our packaging area enters the warehouse management system automatically.
Bay A12 confirmed. Pallet secured.
This single warehouse can hold over $40 million of finished inventory.
Yes, the order status is confirmed.
Divert the next incoming truck to Bay 7.
Confirm inventory adjustment for aisle 5. Mike, I need you to verify the count on this pallet before it ships.
Every outbound shipment leaves with a complete documentation package.
Retrieval confirmed on pallet 12, level 5. Bringing it down now. Over.
Oi, where is the pallet for order 615?
Right here, we just wrapped it. It's ready for quality check. What you're seeing represents nearly $45 million of finished inventory ready for immediate shipment.
Need that Texas load secured now. Move the forklift to bay 12.
Roger, moving to 12. All right, that puts us at 22 for the Idaho Falls shipment. Paperwork is all set.
Keep the flow moving. We need to minimize the open time. Check the logger is active.
Here's the complete packet. Please confirm the weight here and sign the pad.
Everything looks accurate.
All right, and here is your seal. Drive safely. Cool.
Every trailer leaving our facility is secured with a numbered tamper-evident seal that's recorded on all shipping documents.
Loading a shipping container for international ocean freight is fundamentally different from loading a truck for domestic delivery.
All right, the documentation matches the cargo and the dunnage is secure.
Yes, it's ready for the custom seal.
Very well.
From 50 million bees working in thousands of hives to 200 tons of liquid gold. Our direct-to-distribution relationships with major retail chains mean that honey produced today can be on store shelves within 7 to 2 hours. "28 days after leaving our California facility, this honey arrives on supermarket shelves in Tokyo, one of over 73 countries where our products are sold."
I was thinking the bear bottle.
But this one is locally sourced and it's on special this week.
You're right, let's try it.
And this is where it all comes together. A family breakfast table, a child drizzling honey on toast.
Wow, look at all that honey.
Careful, sweetie. Don't use it all at once.
As the sun sets on another day at the world's largest honey processing facility, the work continues. Night shift crews take over from day shift.
What an incredible journey this has been.
Every jar of honey that leaves our facility carries with it the dedication of our beekeepers, the precision of our processing teams, and the ancient magic